Good morning, students. So, in the last video, we have started with lesson number 1, our environment. Okay. In that, we have seen how the stones, rocks, mountains, and all that things we have read in the last video. Now, in this video, we are going to see what is the living things and what are the non-living things, and what comes under living things and what comes under non-living things. Yesterday we have read this page. Now today I am going to explain you. A sparrow and a roadside stone. Now in this, what do you think, which will be the living thing and which will be the non-living thing? Yes, roadside stone. Roadside stone means a stone which is kept नियर बाय रोड और ऑन द साइड ऑफ द रोड. एक जो बड़ा पत्थर रहता है उसे हम क्या बोलेंगे? इज़ इट लिविंग थिंग और इज़ इट अ नॉन लिविंग थिंग? येस, इट इज़ अ नॉन लिविंग थिंग. वाई इट इज़ अ नॉन लिविंग थिंग? बिकॉज डज अ स्टोन, कैन स्टोन ब्रीद? नो. कैन स्टोन ग्रो? नो. कैन स्टोन रन? कैन स्टोन्स मूव? नो. Without any support, can they move? No. So it is a non-living thing. But what about sparrow? Yes, sparrow is a living thing. Why? Because sparrow grows. Sparrow shows growth in size and shape. Okay. Sparrows breathe. They move here and there. They eat. They sleep. So they are all living things. So we are going to see what is a sparrow and a roadside stone. Now let us look at a stone and a sparrow in our surroundings and compare them. Now what you have to do? You have to see the stone around you and a sparrow. आपको एक स्टोन देखना है और आपको एक स्पैरो को ऑब्जर्व करना है. आपको उन दोनों का डिफरेंस देखना है. A stone remains where it is. If you see that the stone is, it remains where it is. It does not move, it does not walk, it does not run, it does not go anywhere. It is still there only where we can see. Its place changes only if someone picks it up and moves it. Stones की place कब change होगी? अगर किसी ने उसको pick किया या फिर उसको किसी ने फेंका या फिर यहाँ वहाँ हिलाया. If someone moves it, if someone picks it and throws it, then only the place of the stones will change. It doesn't eat. Stones doesn't eat. Stones खाना खाता है क्या? No. If stones are there present in the grass, does stones eat? No. Is stone eating grass? No. It doesn't eat. So it doesn't grow bigger. So the shape and the size of the stones does not grow. It does not become more bigger and bigger. It doesn't have babies either. Stones को babies होते हैं क्या? No. Because it is a non-living thing. It is a non-living thing. Now next, it's not the same with sparrows. अगर हम ये स्पैरो के साथ कंपैरिजन करें तो स्पैरोज बिल्कुल अपोजिट है. Why? Because they are living things. They build nests. You can see in your nearby house, if there is a big trees, the sparrows builds their nest. They build their own house. They move here and there. आप लोग sparrows को देखते वो यहाँ से वहाँ घूमते रहते हैं. Means they move here and there on their own. Do they need any support? No. Do we take up sparrows and we throw them here and there? No. But in the case of stone, we take the stone and we can throw it. But in the case of sparrows, they themselves move here and there. They do not need any support. They eat insects and graze. They eat insects. What is their livelihood? Means what do they eat? They eat insects. See, I have underlined the word. They eat insects and grains. Whatever they find out on the road, they eat it. That is why they grow. इसलिए उनकी क्या होती है? Growth होती है. So they get development, they get growth. They lays eggs in the nest. Where do they lay eggs? They lays eggs in the nest. See, here is the picture, and in this picture you can see that the there are small babies. So sparrows lays eggs in this nest. Little sparrow hatch from these eggs. Sparrows take a lot of care of their young ones. Now sparrows lay eggs in this nest and they have small babies, and sparrows take care of their young ones. The same way how your mother take care of you, the same way the sparrows also take care of their small young ones. Why do we see this difference between the sparrow and the stone? Why? Because stone is non-living thing and sparrow is a living thing. Sparrow breathes. Sparrows grow, but stones do not grow. They do not breathe. They do not eat. The sparrow is a living thing and the stone is a non-living thing. Underline this. The sparrow is a living thing and the stone is a non-living thing. Things in our surroundings form two groups. How many groups are there? Two groups. One is living things and another is non-living things. Now we will see what comes under living things and non-living things. Living things are of two kinds, plants and animals. Animals have babies and seedlings, grow from the seeds. The seedlings that then grow into plants. This tells us that plants are living things. Now, as you can see, a sparrow is having a small babies. Yes or no? Same way, all animals have babies. Seedlings grow from the seeds. The seedlings then grow into plants. There are small seeds which in future grow into the plants. This tells us that plants are living things. How we can tell us that plants are living things? The small seeds. If you can see, if you eat an apple, for example, if you eat an apple, you can find a small seed inside the apple. If you grow that seed, means if you plant that seed, regularly you put the water, if you grow it properly, you will see after few days there is a small plant coming from that seed. This tells us that the plants are living things. Plants too move. Plants also move. For example, when bud blooms into a flower, when a small bud, it blooms into a flower. आपने देखा होगा ये. When a small bud on the tree, it blooms. वहाँ से जब छोटा सा फ्लावर आना स्टार्ट होता है into a flower, its petals open. जब वो फ्लावर स्टार्ट हो जाता है आने को, वो छोटा मीन्स स्लोली इट ग्रोज एंड इट फॉर्म्स अ पेटल्स. द पेटल्स क्या हो जाते हैं, उसके ओपन हो जाते हैं, फुल फ्लावर ओपन हो जाता है. बट मूवमेंट्स ऑफ प्लांट्स आर नॉट सो ईजिली सीन. लेकिन हम प्लांट्स के मूवमेंट्स देख सकते हैं क्या ईजिली? नो. वी कैन सी द मूवमेंट्स ऑफ flower. It is slowly opening, but we cannot see the movement of plants. Plants also need food. Of course, plants do not move from place to place like animals do. Plants move होते हैं क्या one place to another place? No. But animals can move from one place to another. Their roots hold them down into one place. Plants क्यों move नहीं होते? Because their roots, the roots which are present under the ground, they keep them hold tightly down in one place. So due to which the plants cannot go from one place to another. This is a big difference between the plants and animals. Understood everyone? What is the difference between the plants and animals? Plants cannot move from one place to another, but they grow, they develop, they need food to eat. But animals can move from one place to another. Animals also eat, animals also breathe, but it is not compulsory that animals are in one place. Only the difference is that plants is on one place, animals can move from one place to another. Okay, next page we will see in the next video. Thank you.